What's up, boys and girls? Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. For the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to help you become a better trader. In the past 6 days, I've had 5 green trading days. I've only taken 5 trades, and every single one of them have been green, and I am shooting 100% currently right now, and it's because I made this one small change in my trading that's allowed for me to, my one-on-one students know what I'm talking about, scratch my itch. I've been scratching my itch, getting some quick base hits in over the past 6 trading days, and I want to go over what trade that I took today. Now, if you guys don't know me, I've been day trading for over 6 years now. I run a one-on-one mentorship. I don't sell you a course. I don't sell you anything else. If you guys would like to be trained by me one-on-one, you can take my 6-week challenge. That link is down below. Click that link. Go check it out right now. Let's go ahead and dive into the market here. So over here on the right-hand side, guys, we have the top gainers list. This is going to show you every single stock that is moving for today. This is my one and only scanner that I use. You don't really need any other scanner. You just need to be able to identify setups in these stocks that are moving fast. Now, I'm a day trader. I try to get in and out of stocks as quick as possible. For example, my trade today, I think I was in there for 6 to 7 minutes. Some trades I have to hold a little bit longer, typically maybe a few hours, but I never hold trades longer than a day. And as I was saying, over the past 6 trading days, I have a 100% success rate with this new setup that I found. And I want to briefly go over that with you in this video. So once I sit down at the computer, typically at the computer by around 6:30 a.m. Now I want to be very clear here, guys. I'm giving you a free tip right here. You don't need to be at the computer this early at all. You don't need to be at the computer at 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm just a madman, and I track every single breakout that happens every single day. So I like to be at the computer, ready to track, ready to fill out my spreadsheet, because I'm a fucking mad scientist, and that's what I do, right? Nobody else in the game does it like me. And right now I have over 1,400 plus trades that I've tracked. And the whole goal of tracking every single breakout every single day, it's not because I love doing it and I like fucking spreadsheets. The reason why I did it is because I wanted to find direct correlations to win rate. And by me tracking this data, that's how I've been able to have a 100% success rate over the past 6 trading days, because there are direct correlations to win rate with price of the stock, time of day that it breaks out, day of the week that it breaks out, market cap, free float, etc. So those are all the things that I track and I share with my one-on-one students. Again, if you want to be trained by me one-on-one, listen, some of y'all are trying to grow your portfolio. You need my help. Go click that link down below. My results are not typical. Read the disclaimer, okay? So 6:30 a.m., guys, just don't, unless you're a madman like me and you track every single breakout, you don't need to do that. Honestly speaking, if I didn't track every single breakout, I would be at the computer by 8 a.m. every single day, probably around 7:50. So I have about 10 minutes to kind of go through the top gainers list here and kind of identify the setups that I'm looking for. Now, every single day when I sit down at the computer, guys, I'm only looking for 3 setups currently right now. So there's multiple different setups that I could trade that I've found edges in the market. So for example, if I wanted to, there's like 20 plus different setups that I could take in the market right now. But what I really wanted to do is just identify the top 3 setups that are going to move my portfolio the most. I wanted 1 with a very high win rate, and I wanted 2 with very big risk to reward, where I can risk a little bit and go for a lot. So every single day when I'm sitting down at the computer, when I start live trading with my one-on-one students, those are the 3 setups that I'm looking for. I'm looking for my 2 big boy setups, and I'm looking for my quick base hit with the one with a very high win rate as well. So today when I sat down at 8 a.m., I'm looking for very specific things. I'm not only looking for a breakout on the 5-minute time frame, I'm also taking into consideration the market cap, the free flow, how the price action is looking as well. Again, I break this down all in my one-on-one mentorship. So at 8 a.m. when I went live with my one-on-one students, one of the most obvious stocks today was DRRX. And I did not trade this one, guys. This one gapped up massively right here. And then it did give you a breakout on the 5-minute time frame. This was the breakout level. We broke out right here. I decided not to take this trade. Just didn't think it was an A1 setup for me and my one-on-one students. I was able to skip out on that one. If I would have taken that trade, we made a nice move here at market open. Again, you're not going to catch every single one of them. I'm used to it at this point, right? You're not going to catch every single runner in the market, so stop trying, number 1. But number 2, I just didn't feel like it was worth the risk to reward. So basically from 8 to 9 a.m., I was going through all of these different stocks, trying to identify what the best stock was for me and my one-on-one students to take. And what I ended up deciding on was STAI. So STAI here had this beautiful move in after hours. So more than likely what happened here, yesterday, right before the bell, they dropped some type of news, and it was trading down here at around like 65 cents, right? And then we explode all the way up to $1.29 right here, but the body of the candle got rejected right here at around $1.19. So basically what we're getting is we're getting a bit of continuation from yesterday, because this is after hours, right? And this is about when pre-market starts right here. So we already got a pop yesterday. So what I'm looking for in pre-market is a bit of continuation right here. Right at around 5:10, 5:15 a.m., we try to make a move back up to 119, and this is where we get rejected right here. So I'm on the 5-minute time frame for all of you newer traders. I'm looking for a 5-minute candle to close above this price. We push up to $1.19 right here, but don't quite get that. We get rejected. As you can see, there's sellers in that area, so there's resistance there, and we start to pull back right here. So after we pull back, I still got it on my radar. It's still on the top gainers list, but I'm not taking any trades throughout here, right? So as we go into market open around 8:05 all the way till 9:30, this stock really doesn't do much. It just continues to pull back, and then right here before market open, we start to make this move up, right? Okay, so the first thing that I'm watching as market opens is, are we going to get a continued run here? So right here, we have some volatility in the first 5 minutes. 9:35 a.m., you're always going to see volatility. We make this green move up right here, and then it looks like we're about to take a dump. And then after that, boom, green candle, boom, green candle, 3 in a row, 4 in a row right here, tons of momentum. And then finally, this 5-minute candle right here breaks above my breakout level of $1.19 right here. So me and my one-on-one students were able to enter right here as soon as this 5-minute candle closed, and we caught this quick move up right here. So it made a move all the way up to 154. We entered here, and we took profits on the way up here to $1.54. Now, this was not a setup that I was going to continue to hold for longer, and I'm glad I didn't. So as you can see here, this was a quick base hit for me and my one-on-one students. We went in with a plan. We identified out of all these different stocks here, this price, this free flow, this market cap, this time of the day, this day of the week, this is the best looking setup in the market, all based on historical data, because I don't have a crystal ball. You don't either. So the only way you can make decisions is based off historical data. And we were able to identify that this is probably going to be a quick in and out type play. That's exactly what happened. We sold on the way up. And as you can see, this one has been pulling back ever since. Now, could it, come back and pop? It could, but more than likely it's probably going to continue to either chop sideways or continue to pull back for the rest of the day. So that was the one trade that me and my one-on-one students took today. Hope you guys get a little bit of value from this video. If you did, comment down below, let me know. If you guys want to be trained by me one-on-one, you got some extra cash in your portfolio, you're trying to become a better trader, you want to know all of the historical data that I've tracked over the past 6 months since February, would love to see if you're a good fit. Comment down below and let me know. Click the first link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.